Hey guys, it's me Ellexie, and we're gonna open this. So we have here a doll, and we have this a bag, and here are the clothes, the towel, and the bathtub. We have here also the bed. Okay.
It's the eye shield.
Yeah, eye shield.
It's eye shield when sleeping.
Okay, let's dress up the doll. She looks pretty now. Good morning. So she's gonna change her clothes. First, she'll take a bath. Here's her things. So we have here her computer, her phone, her iPad, and her soap and her water. So we're gonna get the soap. Scrub it, dub dub, scrub it, dub dub dub. Scrub it, dub dub. Okay, she's done taking a bath.
Papa is so noisy.
Now she's gonna change her clothes. Now she looks pretty. Now she wants to play. She's gonna play her iPad. Go in the bed. Tuck in the bed. Then play her iPad. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Okay. Ring 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 ring. Her phone is ringing. Hello? Hello. You're invited. It's my birthday. Hello. Happy birthday. Thank you. Okay. See you. See you later. Bye.
It's very hard to open that bag, huh?
Ellexie's thirsty. She wants to drink water.
Drink water? Okay. Gulp, 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 gulp. So this is the wardrobe cabinet.
Yeah, the cabinet.
Oh. Okay. That's all.
Thanks for watching this, guys. I hope you like it.
See ya.